This vent got disconnected in the wall, and the whole wall was filled with flammable lint. Very dangerous. It just kept coming out. It was probably pounds and pounds of this dusty, nasty lint. So then I went up onto the roof and I found one of the worst screen clogs I've ever seen. This was really blocking the airflow of the dryer. Customers saying their clothes weren't drying. Well, if you have a screen like this completely blocking where the air lets out, it's not going to allow for any air to escape, and it will cause the dryer to overheat. It's a really bad fire hazard, and it's very likely that you will damage some of the internal components of the dryer due to it being overheated. So after I removed this and cleaned the vent, it was completely clean, and customer said that it was drying the clothes great. This was a different house a couple of days ago, and inside the dryer they said they were getting a burning smell, so I always take apart the whole machine to clean it from top to bottom, and you can see all of this lint starting to get burnt, built up there where you put the screen. The screen blocks that opening, and it blocks some of it, but it still gets past it, and this could be really dangerous, so it took me a while to get this one cleaned. Then a couple days later, different machine. I knew there was going to be a lot of lint in here. Customer says they never had the vent or the dryer cleaned in almost 7 years. So I take off the back panel and I shine my light, and I could see just like a full carpet of lint all over the bottom and all over the opening. This was a different customer. I go to this customer every single year, and you can see only a year they do a lot of laundry, so it was starting to get clogged on the roof. Once that starts, it will keep on going till the whole opening is clogged. This was another customer. The inside of the dryer where you pull out the lint screen was really filled with lint. Took me a while to get all of this lint out of there. Another customer, this one was clogged from where it connected to the dryer all the way up to the roof. A really clogged vent. Took me a while to clean this one, but I brushed it a couple of times and then it was nice and clean. It's very important that you clean your vent every year because this is super dangerous when it builds up like that. This was another customer. Again, it's really important to clean the inside of the dryer. This is a lint tray. They say they clean the screen every time, but there's still lint in there. And then this is another one. This customer has me come every 6 months, and you can see only 6 months it is starting to get clogged pretty badly. It's very important to have your dryer vent cleaned at least once a year, but if you do a lot of laundry, then you might want to get it done every 6 months.